Welcome to Mariner 3S. Today we're going to show you how to use your clubliner. Place the transport trolley near the pool. Open the lid of the filter box. Remove the filters and check that the fins are clean. The filter cartridges must be cleaned after each use for hygienic reasons. Put the filters back in and close the cover. Take the floating cable out of the holder and place it next to the trolley. Unwind the power cable. Connect the device to the power supply. Fully lay out the floating cable. Turn on the device. Fasten the transport trolley in a suitable place. Drive the device to the edge of the pool using the radio remote control. Put the device into the water, guided. Wait until the device has descended to the bottom of the pool. Now drive to the designated starting position. Place the device with at least 2 meters of free space in the direction of travel and at least 20 centimeters from the surrounding pool wall. Now activate the automatic cleaning program. At the end of the driving program, drive the device on the pool floor near the equipment trolley. Stop the pump with the stop and up buttons. Pull the device to the surface of the water by the floating cable. Use the rope and the transport handle to lift the device out of the pool. Use the motors to support. Switch off the device and stow away the radio remote control. Wind up the power cable. Wind up the floating cable from the device. Leave it connected at this point. Twists can be solved by unplugging the floating cable. Then plug the connector back in. This completes the cleaning. Don't forget to clean the filters and the filter box. Then leave the filters in a suitable place to dry. You can find more information on this in the operating instructions. Thank you very much for your interest in our products. More information is available on our homepage.